Hello guys, this is my third video. In this video, I will be showing how to set up an Django project, and I will be working with forms and even in HTML files. So let's get started. Let me just create a new folder and manage it here or load it here. So let me just get started. Our first step would be to install Django. So to install Django, let's click install Django. So I have already installed my Django, so that it's saying that requirement already satisfied. So let me just create my project now. So while creating Django apps, my first step would be creating a single project. Let me just create a project. So the syntax would be Django -admin start project. The project name would be new project and space dot. So dot specifies that the project which I am creating is inside new folder. So again, once I created project, I will be creating an app. So to create app, Django-admin start app, and app name would be new app. So press enter, and my app and the project has been initiated. So let me just give an overview of what app and project is. In a Django project, there will be an folder called project, and there will be an folder called app. Project is nothing but there will be n number of apps in the Django project. The handling of the apps and manipulating how the app should be displayed to the users is the work of urls.py in project. I have just created one app here. It may be n number of apps. I hope you guys understood. This is about setting up the Django project, and if you need to see an interface, you just type python manage.py run server. So you can see my project is running on the port number 8000. If you just click on control and click this, so it will take you to the browser and you can see the interface of this project. That's it for this video guys. I will be continuing next part in next video. Thank you guys.